Ever had this little red battery light pop up on your dash and wondered, is my battery dying? Well, not so fast. It's actually a warning that your charging system is in trouble, and if you ignore it, your car could shut down while driving. And today I'll show you what the battery light really means, how to find the cause, and how to fix it step by step, just like a pro mechanic. Let's get started. The battery light doesn't just mean your battery is weak, it means your car's charging system isn't working properly. When your engine's running, the alternator is supposed to charge the battery and keep your car powered. If the alternator stops charging because of a bad belt, wiring, or alternator failure, the battery light turns on. If the light comes on while driving, here's what to do. 1. Don't panic. Your car will keep running for a few minutes on battery power. 2. Turn off your AC, radio, headlights, and anything using power. 3. Find a safe place to stop. 4. Pop the hood and do a quick visual inspection. We'll do that next. To diagnose this properly, you'll need a digital multimeter, socket wrench set, wire brush or terminal cleaner, safety gloves and glasses, battery charger. It's optional, simple tools, but they'll tell you exactly what's wrong. Start with the basics. 1. Check both battery terminals. Are they corroded or loose? If you see white or green crust, clean it off. 2. Check the serpentine belt. It should be tight and not cracked. A broken or slipping belt equals alternator not spinning equals battery not charging. 3. Make sure the alternator plug is secure and not damaged. 4. Check under hood fuses labeled ALT or CHE if something looks off. Fix that first before testing voltage. Step 2. Test battery voltage. Grab your multimeter, set it to DC volts, touch the red lead to the positive plus post, and black to the negative. Now, check these readings. Engine off, around 12.6 volts is healthy. Engine running, should rise to 13.7 minus 14.7 volts. If it doesn't go up after you start the engine, your alternator isn't charging the battery. Step 3. Test under load. Let's add some load. Turn on your headlights, heater, fan, and rear defogger. If voltage stays above the 13 volts, the alternator is doing its job. If it drops below 12.8 volts, the alternator is weak or the regulator is failing. Rev the engine a bit. Voltage should rise slightly. If it drops, the alternator's toast. Step 4. Clean and tighten connections. If your voltage is borderline, clean and tighten everything. 1. Disconnect the negative cable first, then positive. 2. Use a wire brush to clean both terminals. 3. Mix baking soda and water for heavy corrosion. 4. Reconnect positive first, then negative. 5. Apply a little petroleum jelly or grease to prevent future corrosion. Start the car again and recheck voltage. Step 5. Jump or charge the battery. If your battery's too weak, jump start it or use a charger. Let it run for 10-15 minutes, then check the light. If the battery light stays off, great. You likely had a loose or dirty connection. If it comes back on, it's time to check the alternator. Still have a battery light after a new alternator? Try these. Check the alternator fuse or fusible link. Look for damaged wiring to the alternator plug. Some newer cars use a computer-controlled charging system that might need scanning or software reset. Always test before you replace parts. If your car dies while driving, you smell burning, or the battery light flashes with other warning lights, stop driving and call a pro. Don't risk getting stranded. And that's how you diagnose and fix your battery warning light like a pro. Remember, check the basics first, measure voltage, and only replace what's truly bad. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment on your car model below. I'll try to help you troubleshoot in the next video. Thanks for watching and drive safe.